In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Presenter View in Google Slides, a fantastic tool that can elevate your presentation game by giving you control and privacy with ease. First, ensure you have your presentation ready and open in Google Slides. The interface should look familiar, with all your slides lined up on the left-hand side and the current slide in the main part of the screen. You'll notice in the top right corner, there's a blue button labeled Present, or sometimes you'll see it referred to as Slideshow. This button is your key to starting the presentation mode. To reveal a few additional options, look for a small down arrow right next to this Present button. Clicking on this arrow will present you with a drop-down menu featuring several choices, one of which is Presenter View. This is our focus for today. Selecting Presenter View opens up a new dimension to your presenting experience. You'll see that a separate window springs up on your screen. This window is where the magic happens. It's neatly organized to provide you with valuable tools at a glance, such as previews of both your current and next slides, a running timer to keep you on track, and perhaps most importantly, your speaker notes. All of these features are laid out to help you keep your presentation smooth and engaging, without having to flip through distracting papers or remember everything offhand. The key advantage here is that while you see this control dashboard, your audience will see only the beautiful, polished slides. This creates a professional appearance, elevating your presentation to a whole new level. It allows you to maintain eye contact and engagement with your audience while always having the information you need at your fingertips. With your speaker notes displayed privately, you can naturally flow through your presentation without any disruptions or awkward pauses and without revealing the behind-the-scenes prep work to your viewers. Use the arrows or click to advance to the next slide whenever you're ready. Your consistent forward momentum can keep your audience interested and involved throughout the presentation. Moreover, the built-in timer can be a lifesaver. It ensures that you can keep an eye on the clock, allowing you to pace yourself accordingly and avoid running over time. It helps in maintaining a rhythm without the need to glance at your phone or a clock awkwardly. Everything you need is right there on your screen. Embrace this powerful feature in Google Slides and add a layer of professionalism to your presentations. It's an easy adjustment to make, but brings with it a world of difference in your delivery. Now, go ahead, try it yourself, and experience how Presenter View can transform how you connect with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!